All right, we'll be just a minute here. For my third break this week, I've had a few more people that decided not to pay, so I'm just getting that straightened out right now. If anyone's in the chat room, let me know if that you guys can hear me. All right, sorry for the delay. Like I said, once again, we had some people not pay. I had one guy that was paying at the last minute, and that's what we were waiting on. So once again, welcome to another Wiser Sports Cards box break. This is box break number 12. Tonight we're doing a two-box break. One box Upper Deck MVP and one box SPX. As always, I typically like to get one box that's got a lot of cards in it, so that everybody at least gets a few cards, and then another box that's got a few hits in it. Um, and as always, if a team pulls less than 5 cards, I typically will add some other cards to to make up at least 5. And as usual, I get all my boxes for my box breaks from a guy I do card shows with here in Detroit. That's Joe Manzella Sports Cards. His eBay ID, it's not his website, but his eBay ID, jmcards.com. When you get a chance, go over to his eBay store and check it out. He's got boxes, some cases, some lots of single cards, as well as some other miscellaneous sport and non-sport related items. And so here are the teams. We had, was it 22 teams sold, but then 3 of them didn't get paid for. We've got the Anaheim Ducks going to Beth R., the Boston Bruins to Glenn K., the Buffalo Sabres to William P., the Calgary Flames to Marco G., the Chicago Blackhawks to Stephen S., the Colorado Avalanche to Marco G., the Dallas Stars to Thomas B., the Detroit Red Wings to JR., the Edmonton Oilers to William P., the Florida Panthers to Anthony O., the Los Angeles Kings to William P., the Montreal Canadiens to Jack V., the Nashville Predators to Matthew C., the Flyers to Bruce H., the Penguins to Glenn K., the Blues to Stephen S., the Tampa Bay Lightning to Rob C., the Toronto Maple Leafs to JR., and the Winnipeg Jets to Stephen S. We had the Coyotes, Hurricanes, Blue Jackets, Wild, Devils, Senators, Sharks, and Canucks go unsold. And then we had the Islanders, Rangers, and Capitals that went unpaid for. So once again, if I randomize all cards with more than players for more than one team, and if any of the teams that were unsold or got forfeit are on there, they will not be included in the randomization. So let's go ahead and get started with Upper Deck MVP. Hits are very scarce in this, but you do get the short prints, the silver parallel, or I mean the gold parallels, the colors and contours, a couple inserts. You can get the jerseys and autographs, but they are rare. Once again, if anyone is in chat, and I think I enabled guest chat, if you can type to make sure that you can hear me. I know occasionally my mic gets turned off by accident. Looks like it's on. I don't know if that'll stay up. Alright. It's a silver parallel, Andrei Markov for the Canadiens. And we've got the Tuukka Rask short print. All the cards 201 and up are short prints. Once again, I do send out all cards, but in the interest of time, I do flip through the base kind of quick. Got a silver Tanner Pearson for the Kings. Got a colors and contours Mike Fisher for the Nashville Predators. It's like a Crosby checklist. And a Landeskog short print for the Avalanche. Got a Cody Hodgson silver parallel for the Sabres. A Marcus Johansson colors and contours. And an Alexander Steen short print for the Blues. Got a Kopitar silver for the Kings. Which is a short print parallel. And we got a Nicholas Kronwall short print for the Red Wings. Got a silver parallel Cam Ward for the Hurricanes. And a David Backes short print for the St. Louis Blues. Marc-Andre Fleury silver for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And we have the NHL 3 stars player of the week, Jason Pominville, Marc-Andre Fleury, and Jason Chimera. Minnesota went unsold, Washington went forfeit, so that'll automatically go to the Pittsburgh Penguins. That makes it easy. And a Jordan Eberle short print for the Edmonton Oilers. Got a Greg McKegg rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Yuri Hudler silver for the Calgary Flames. Looks like we have another 3 stars, Kari Lehtinen, Gustav Nyquist, and Andre Sekera. The Henrik Sedin short print for the Vancouver Canucks. And let's see. The Carolina Hurricanes went unsold, so that'll be randomized between the Dallas Stars and the Detroit Red Wings at the end of the box. So set that aside. Got a Tyler Myers silver for the Buffalo Sabres. And it looks like a Mark Messier short print for the Rangers. Oh, excuse me. A Bobby Orr silver parallel for the Boston Bruins. Short print parallel. And then Andrew Ladd short print for the Winnipeg Jets. Marcus Johansson silver. A Mike Smith colors and contours. And a Patrick Waugh short print for the Montreal Canadiens. Gabriel Landeskog silver for the Colorado Avalanche. Which is a short print parallel. And a Danny Heatley short print. For the Ottawa Senators, we've got a Bobby Ryan autograph. Those are pretty rare. I'm not sure exactly how rare. I think you get 2 or 3 autographs a case. A Jordan Eberle silver for the Edmonton Oilers. And a Marian Hossa short print for the Blackhawks. Kerry Lettinen, silver for the Dallas Stars. And a Jonathan Bernier short print for the Maple Leafs. Brad Marchand, Boston Bruins silver. And an Ovechkin short print. We have Vladimir Sobotka, silver for the Blues. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, we got the blue parallel, Chris Kunitz. There it is. Wow, look at that jersey number, 14 out of 25. I don't think I can get that to show up, but that's 14 out of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. That's also a short print parallel, and then we've got the Joe Thornton short print for the Sharks. Got a Joe Pavelski silver for the Sharks, and a David Clarkson colors and contours for the Maple Leafs. The Mikko Koivu short print. Got a Tuukka Rask silver short print. Brandon Gormley rookie colors and contours for the Arizona Coyotes. And a Jimmy Howard short print for the Detroit Red Wings. Seth Jones silver for the Predators. And we have an Antti Ranta NHL Rookie of the Month for the Blackhawks. Let's see. I didn't see if there was, I'm sure there's a short print. Got that Oscar Klefbom rookie for the Edmonton Oilers. Drew Doughty silver to go with the regular for the Kings. And the regular one is the short print. Got a Lars Eller silver. Pietrangelo short print for the St. Louis Blues. We have a 3 stars. Tavares, Hiller, and Lundqvist. And with the Islanders and Rangers being forfeit, that will go to the Ducks. Bobby Orr short print. Tom Wilson silver for the Washington Capitals. Got 3 packs left, and then we'll randomize the 3 stars amongst the 2 teams. Got a Jason Garrison silver. got a Jonas Gustafson, Sidney Crosby, Patrick Marleau. And that'll go between the Red Wings and the Pittsburgh Penguins on that one. And the Bobby Ryan short print. Got a Calgary Flames Dennis Wideman silver. A Winnipeg Jets Dustin Byfuglien colors and contours. With the Marc-Andre Fleury short print for the Penguins. James Neal silver for the Penguins. And that's going to be it. With the Anze Kopitar, Anze Kopitar for the Los Angeles Kings. Short print card. Alright, so first we're going to do the Kari Lehtonen Nyquist Sekera, which will go between the Dallas Stars and the Red Wings. Followed by the Gustafson Crosby Marleau, which will go between the Red Wings and the Penguins. So we're going to randomize this 3 times. It's 1, 2, and after 3 times, the NHL 3 stars is going to go to the Dallas Stars. So now for the Gustafson Crosby Marleau. Got 1, 2, 3, and that will go to the Pittsburgh Penguins. All right. So now what everyone probably came for, the SPX. We've got 4 hits. That could be 4 autograph, memorabilia, or premium hits per box. Plus we have the bonus pack, which I'll set aside till the end. Here we go, right off the bat for the Blackhawks. The Adam Clendening rookie auto out of 399. 154 out of 399. Nope, it is a sticker. From the original angle, it didn't look like that. We have an SPX Rookies, Chris Wagner for the Ducks. Does not appear to be numbered. Decoy card. Keep trying to grab for the bonus pack. Got a Brad Park Winning Materials dual jersey for the Boston Bruins. So there's 2 hits. Hopefully they don't count the rookie as the premium hit. I haven't opened any boxes of this year yet. This is the first. We have another. This one's a 2-player dual jersey. Evgeny Malkin and the Chris Kunitz dual jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Winning combos. So that's 2 jerseys, an auto jersey rookie. It's a Dominik Hasek for the Buffalo Sabres. Die cut insert. Got a Matt Sundin die cut insert for the Maple Leafs. Right, we're halfway through. Got another die cut. Brandon Gormley for the Arizona Coyotes. Andrew Markarov, SPX rookies for the Buffalo Sabres. Ooh, it's one thick card. We've got a Sidney Crosby shadow box for the Pittsburgh Penguins. This has been a Pittsburgh Penguins kind of night. This is probably what they mean by premium insert. I don't think those are usually $20, $30, $40 cards. You have a Mike Bossy, New York Islanders die cut insert. So as we get close to the end, be sure to like me on Facebook. Keep up to date on all my future breaks. I'm also starting a few breaks ago. I will post the highlights of the hits for the night. We've got an SPX rookie, Colin Smith, for the Colorado Avalanche. With the NHL playoffs coming up, I'm thinking about doing a 4-box mixer for when we hit the Stanley Cup. Got a Kevin Hayes SPX rookies. Eric Stahl die cut insert for the Hurricanes. I'll be doing some more for baseball fans. I'll be doing some more Heritage for the next couple baseball breaks until some more baseball products come out. I'll be doing some more basketball breaks, and at the end of the month I'm looking at doing a 4-box football mixer for the NFL draft. So like I said, look out on the channel page here. Like me on Facebook to see it there, or follow me on Twitter. I post everything to all 3 places. If you do like me on Twitter, be sure to leave some comments about the types of products you'd like to see opened in the future. Any other comments or suggestions? And for the final card, we've got a Finite Rookies, Alexander Wenberg for the Columbus Blue Jackets. So thanks again for joining us. If you came in late or just want to rewatch it, it should be uploaded to YouTube within a half hour, and cards will go out in the mail tomorrow. And if you did not get 5 cards per team, like I said, I will add cards to make sure everybody gets at least 5. So thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time.